Are you tired of the cold, unpredictable Ohio weather?
Well, you should consider traveling to the Sahara Desert. Get ready for a sandy, exciting adventure. The Sahara is very warm, and it has predictable weather. And if you aren't a big fan of rain, the desert's the place for you.
The desert only gets about 10 inches of rainfall per year and has an average of 86 degrees
The
Fahrenheit.
Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert, and it stretches across the northern tip of Africa, which is around the equator. If you don't want to visit the Sahara, you can find these biomes in
The Sonoran Desert in Arizona.
And the Arabian Desert in, Arabia.
Some animals you may be lucky enough to encounter while on your trip to the Sahara Desert include the adorable phoenix fox,
The chill camel.
a thorny double lizard. Don't step on it!
as well as coyotes.
And Sidewinder
Some
snakes.
of the things the fennec fox has to adapt to the desert are fur-covered feet,
Heat-radiating ears, and pale fur that allows them to camouflage. Cactuses are one of the most commonly found types of plants in the Sahara Desert. One of these types of cactuses is the bunny ear cactus.
Don't get pricked!
Another type of plant in the desert is the bright and beautiful desert marigold.
the artillo,
Apollo verdant,
And the giant claret cup. The bunny-eared cactus has adapted to the desert biome by requiring little amounts of water, which is fit for the lack of precipitation in the desert.
they're light lovers.
so they thrive in the unshaded
There are many
open desert.
abiotic factors that you can find in the desert biome. Some of them are sunlight, sand, rocks, and water.
My visit here in the Sahara is almost over, and I wish I didn't have to leave. Can't believe I got to experience all these amazing things for only a packet of Skittles. I am positive that if you go here, you will have the best time of your life.
If we haven't convinced you already, there's a lot of attractions you can find in the desert biome. There are some amazing views to see, things to experience, and places to go while in the desert.
One great thing that the desert has to offer is its amazing sunrises and sunsets. You may be thinking, why are the sunrises and sunsets so special here when you can see them almost anywhere else? In the desert, they appear much more vibrant and bold because of the lack of air pollution in these areas. It is truly a sight worth traveling for. If stargazing is something you enjoy, then the desert is the place for you. It's well known for its stunning starry nights. In the desert, you are able to see many more stars than you would here in Ohio, and they are much bigger and brighter. Much like the sunrises and sunsets, the night sky is so beautiful in the desert because of the lack of air pollution. Beautiful starry nights like the ones you would see in the desert are not very common, and that's what makes it so special.
Sandboarding is a super exciting activity that you can experience in the desert. It's just like snowboarding, but on a sandy hill instead of a snowy one. Don't forget to bring your sea goggles. You don't want to get sand in your eye. If you want to go on a trip around the area, you should consider their amazing camel rides. It gives you a chance to relax, but at the same time enjoy several different views. You should really consider traveling to the desert to be involved in this once-in-a-lifetime experience.
While in the desert biome, there are many incredible places you can visit. During your visit, you can even see one of the 7 wonders of the world, Egypt. In Egypt, you can also visit the Great Pyramids along with the mighty Sphinx. Another incredible place to visit is the Nile River, where you can canoe down its 4,132 miles of gorgeous water. Continuing on with the bodies of water, you can visit the astounding beauty of Lake Chad for a day of endless fun in the water. On your trip, you can stop by the dazzling sight of the White Desert, which is just like it sounds, a desert full of white sand. You can also visit the Simpson Desert Dunes, which are the largest sand dunes in the world, which are a common physical feature found in the desert biome. There are large amounts of sand that are located within the desert, which is one extremely unique factor about this biome that you will find nowhere else. These are only a few of the places you can visit in the desert biome, and there are many more out there to explore. If you were thinking we were just going to leave you out in the middle of the desert for your vacation, you were mistaken. There are a variety of incredible resorts and hotels that you have a choice of where to stay. For example, there's the Dream Lodge Hotel located in the Sahara Desert, the Siwa Shali Resort in the Sahara, the Enchantment Resort in Arizona, and the Desert Islands Resort and Spa in the Arabian Desert. All of these include an outdoor pool and a spa just for you.